the truth come over me. It came slowly, but one day I knew, I just knew. I prayed in the morning, and I knew God heard my prayers. In a church I saw Jesus on the cross, and I knew that He had sacrificed Himself to save me and all those who believed in Him. No longer did I see the world through a glass darkly. Now from the first rays of sunrise, it is lit up with holy light. The world seems to shine with the presence of the Lord, who has filled our world with unspeakable beauty. Yes, it was a revelation, and I accepted it humbly with grace. It was the best day of my life. Now, as I sit here in my home, and I see the first orange red light of sunrise, I know, yes I know, that only through the love of God and the grace He has lovingly given us, that this life